dropped the marker? Where did it go? It went down there. You like that? He likes the rails on the bed. You did say that.
Wow.
Is she Benjamin? He's talking.
Wow.
He likes the rails on the headboard.
Watch that step. Watch that step.
Well, he was just getting so vocal, I just whipped up the video. Rebecca?
Daddy.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Go back that
Oh, did you see the shadows on the wall?
way. Remember that first step's a doozy.
I'm gonna step right off the edge. Okay, that's enough.